Hi guys, we are going to Hoskote Anand Dum Biryani. Let's get started. Here we go.
Preview.
Hoskote Anand Dum Biryani is a famous biryani dish that originated from the town of Hoskote in the Indian state of Karnataka. Hoskote is located near Bengaluru, the capital city of Karnataka. Anand Dum Biryani is a specific variation of biryani that is popular in this region. It is known for its unique flavors and cooking technique. The biryani is typically prepared by layering a fragrant basmati rice with marinated meat, usually chicken or mutton, and aromatic spices and saffron-infused milk. The layers are then slowly cooked and them, which means they are sealed tightly and cooked over low heat to allow the flavors to melt together and the meat to become very tender. The result is a rich and flavorful biryani with tender meat and perfectly cooked rice. Another biryani is often served with raita and salan. It has gained popularity among locals in biryani and this is in around Hoskote. Please note that while Anand Dum Biryani is known as local specialty in Hoskote, specific details about its history, or the Anand Dum Biryani restaurant itself may not be widely documented or available. If you want to look at that, the particular Anandam Biryani, I'll mention the address in the description. Please, you guys go and enjoy at least once in a while.